Hi, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak to you guys about something that I get so many messages about. And it's basically, why aren't my manifestations working? Why are things happening to me that are bad? I'm trying the law of attraction and it's just not working. Well, watch this short video. I want to explain to you guys things that you could possibly be doing, things that are going on that may be preventing you from manifesting your dreams. If you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that brings you information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Let's get going. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to say about your manifestations not coming true? What is it that I have to say about why all the bad things keep happening to you while you're trying to manifest? Listen, we all been there. I've been there, you've been there, everyone has been there. I don't care who it is you're speaking to. We all have been there at some point, in some fashion, whether it's relationships, business, career, it does not matter. We all been there in some form during certain parts, or most likely all parts of our lives. Now, what can I say about this? A lot of people are into the law of attraction now. A lot of people are finding out about subconscious mind power, but they're missing a crucial point. It doesn't matter what you do, affirmations, visualizations, whatever it is, scripting, whatever it is, what's going to manifest is your secret thoughts. What's going to manifest is what you're holding on inside. That's why I tell people, listen, let things go. Don't hold on to things. Don't keep thinking and harboring on things. Because whatever it is you're thinking, whatever it is you're paying your attention to, that's where your consciousness is. That's where you believe you belong. Your beliefs are actually going to bring on feelings, and it's actually going to manifest in your present life. You're probably saying, well, Eyvette, I do affirmations, I do scripting, I do all of this stuff to help with that. Listen, it works, but you have to believe it, okay? So that's why I tell people to do mirror work. If you haven't seen my mirror work videos, I advise you to do so. I get a lot of people that write me and they say, Eyvette, oh my God, all of a sudden this happened and this happened and this happened. Listen, it's not because you're manifesting using mirror work. It's because you're releasing whatever it is inside of you that could be blocking your manifestations. Let's just say you want that relationship. And every time you try to manifest that relationship, you end up with the wrong partner. This is because deep down inside of you, there's a belief that you don't deserve a good partner, or you're holding on to something that may have happened to you as a child. That's mainly what causes a lot of people manifestations to not come true, is because something they're harboring, something they're holding on from their earlier days, childhood, teenage years. And they're holding on to those memories, and it's preventing them from moving forward. Now, with me, I had a building that did not work out for me, but I did what I needed to do. I held on to it. I was successful because I did what I did, and I made sure all my people were okay. But deep down inside of me, I had that feeling, oh my God, do I want to take another leap of faith? Because I felt that inside of me that this didn't work out. What if I do this again and this don't work out? These are things that are human. You have to work on it. You have to go and pray and say, God, the God that dwells inside of me, hey, look, this is what happened, but there was a positive thing in it. I was led on the right path. Maybe this wasn't for me. Let me get refocused and know that what is mine by divine right, nothing can stop it. By doing things like that, you are actually letting go of that negativity that you were holding on to. Mirror work is powerful, people, especially if you feel like things just aren't working when you do your manifestation. Now, let me explain to you something else. When you say, I want this and I want that, and deep down inside, you're looking at others and you're jealous, or you're feeling like, why do they have it and I don't have it? Or when you get good news about someone and deep down you're envious because you feel like it should have been you. Listen, we all been there. You know, you're out there trying to start your business and all of a sudden Joe Smo picks up an idea, gets out there and do it, and then voila, he's successful, he's rich, he's a millionaire. These are also thoughts, secret thoughts that are stopping you from getting what you want. Send love, send positive thoughts of happiness to everyone, no matter what endeavor they are on. And you are actually sending that back to you because that's a vibration that you are putting out. Now, a lot of people might say, well, Eyvette, I do all of that. I'm asking you now to sit down and write how you really feel. Be honest with yourself. This is something that you should be doing for yourself. Write down what do you really believe? How do you feel about relationships? How do you feel about starting your new business? What are your true beliefs? Do you feel like it's going to be hard work? Do you feel like it's going to be difficult? What are your true beliefs? Do you believe you're going to be successful? Write down the good and the bad and look at it and say, is this true? Okay? That man that you want, that woman that you want, relationships. Am I deserving of this relationship? If you feel like something is inside of you that happened a long time ago, write it out. Speak to yourself. Say, why do I feel this way? Is this true now? And let it go. Whatever it is you are harboring in your thoughts, in your mind, is what you are manifesting, is where you are focused and where you are going to go. It does not matter how many times you say, I am rich, I am prosperous. It does not matter. If you really feel deep down inside that you will never accomplish this, those feelings, as you're doing your affirmations, are going to come up. So as you're doing your affirmations and you really feel negative about the situation, those feelings are going to come up. You're bringing them forward, and that's what you're going to manifest. I get people that say, oh, Eyvette, I was trying to manifest this, and all of a sudden, all of this happened to me. That is the reason why. You cannot run away from your thoughts. God knows all. The God that dwells inside of you knows all. And whatever it is that you focus on, whatever it is you truly believe, it's what you are going to manifest. There's no hiding from those secret thoughts. There are absolutely no getting away from what it is you are harboring inside. Take this lesson, learn from it, and prosper. This is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I always bring you law of attraction, metaphysical information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. If you like this video, don't forget, support My World of Metaphysics, like, subscribe, and tap that bell if you want notifications of my up and coming videos. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also go and buy crystals and all type of metaphysical items at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Again, this is Eyvette. Namaste.